Hello everybody, another upcycling for a white shirt. We need a white shirt, some fabric tack glue, some scissors, some pins. You can use trimmings or lace if you want to, or ribbons, that's up to you. This is trimming. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna measure your trimming or your lace, and then you're gonna pin them before you actually glue it. So what I did is just pinned to make sure that it is in there and it's sturdy. And I'm gonna start using the glue to glue it on the outside first. Make sure that if you're making a big trimming or lace, that this side is dry before you try this side, and make sure you don't squeeze this too hard. Just squeeze it very lightly because you only need a little bit that's coming out. And here is the finished shirt.